my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so I've already prepped my nail, done my cuticle work, stuck my tip on obviously, I've used my nail prep and my Ultra Bond, and then I've done a layer of base coat which has been cured. So for this nail I'm going to be doing a French and I'm going to use the pearl pink for the nail bed on this one. I've got my Nailchemy Aura brush and my Aura slip solution. I'm going to squeeze out just enough to do an extended nail bed. Don't worry if you get too much, you can always take it off. And pop this about there. Oh, Max. Right, so I'm just going to squash this out and start forming a nice shape for the cuticle area, and then I can pat that into place. It's just instilled in me, I have to file it. Right, give that a full cure for me please, Sam. So when that comes out of the lamp, I'm going to wipe over with my nail plate cleanser. I love this stuff, it's kiwi scented. So this is just going to get rid of that sticky layer around the edge as well. And then I can give this a good file. So I'm going to use my metal file. I'm going to need to make sure that this is up at 90 degrees on the side walls, don't drop it either way. So once I've filed this top section, you'll actually be able to see a really nice crisp corner. So you can see the edge of it here, whereas you can see, let's get a little bit closer, see this bottom section, there isn't a crisp corner, so I know I need to file that a little bit more. And I will file this until I have that crisp corner all the way around. Right, so I'm happy I've got a nice solid wall all the way around that. So give it a good dust off before you move on to your next colour. Okay, I'm going to be using the white artisan paint for this next section. So I'm just going to get a small bit gel art brush. It looks like this. On the back of my thumb, of course. I'm going to paint my smile line. Go right up into that corner. And I'm painting all of the wall as well, so I'm coming right up. Don't worry if you come up and over like that, it's fine. It will file off at the end, so don't panic if you do go up and over. Don't think, oh my god, I need to get that off. You don't, it will file off. Okay, pop that in for me, Sam. And I'm actually going to do 2 coats of this just to thicken that white up a little bit once we've filed it up. So same again, I'm just going to paint the same section. Really make sure that your wall is covered and it's coming right up to the top. Fabulous, right, give that another cure for me, Sam. So we're going to be marbling the rest of the nail, and I'm going to be using pastel mint and pastel blue. A little bit of mint, a little bit of blue, a little bit of mint, a little bit of blue, and I think that should be enough. Yeah, we've got that. So I'm just going to pop this on, a little bit of a swirl, don't swirl it too much, and then isopropyl alcohol, your slip solution, and now I'm just going to pop this on and start working this way around here. So because the blue and the green are fairly similar, you're not going to have that definite lines between the colours. If you wanted definite lines, I would recommend maybe adding a bit of white in between the blue and the green. So pick your blue up and then a bit of white and then your green and then a bit of white. But I think this is just going to give a nice two-tone effect. So make sure you're bringing that product right up into those side walls. And when you're happy, that can go in for a full cure, please, Sam. Okay, so that's had a full cure. I'm going to wipe over with the nail plate cleanser, get rid of that sticky residue. And now we can give this a file up. So this is where you'll see that white bit that we put on top. Okay, so we are all filed up. I've given it a quick buff as well. I love that crisp white line. Just breaks it up. I think it just makes it pop a little bit more. Like that. Okay, so coming in with the No Wipe top coat. And this will just make it pop a little bit more.
Oh wow.
I would have a full set of these. An entire full set. I love those blues and greens together because they're not too distinctive. And that. Oh, I think this is my favourite nail.
I do like it.
One. Okay, Sam, pop that in the lamp for me. Okay, and there we have it. I'm going to be popping the coconut elixir on this one. You like this one, do you?
This one and the mango one.
They're all nice. Mine's the banana one, that's my favourite. But I keep dropping it, I've only got a little bit left, so I don't use it anymore.
That's why I'm not allowed to have it, because you've only got a little bit left.
And there you go.
I do like that.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.